So let's see where we sit for the morning. Currently, I have 3 trades that are still currently open. SPX 500, gold, and natural gas. And natural gas, let's start with SPX 500. You know, we see there, it is close to its take profit, but I have no idea what's going to happen. Gold, same thing, it's on its way up. We'll see what happens there. And then natural gas we just saw. Looks like it's on its way up as well, but I don't know, maybe it might turn around at this point. I have no idea. For 9 o'clock, which just hit, I'm going to take a buy here. JP at 25, another buy there. A sell, here on silver. And then the Dutch, a buy. Well, no, that's an indecision. I'm gonna leave Dutch alone. So we're gonna go with a big no on that. So there we go. Let's see how everything pans out. I can't predict the market. I don't think anybody can. But what you can do is just control your risk enough that you can still make a profit. Coming a little late to the party, but I have gold, West Texas oil, and SPX 500. Oh, and the Dutch, whatever, that I need to get into. So I closed this one out early just because we were close. So I'm going to take a sell here. Going to take another sell there. A buy here. And it's like, wow, really a buy? Yep, going to do it. And same thing with the oil. The other ones are still going, and we'll see how this plays out. So I forgot earlier to actually get into the trade for, which one was it? It was one of them. I think it was JP225 USD. So I got in that one, and it's, well, I mean, right now it's going against me, but who cares? It is what it is. So here's all the current trades. So let's look at SPX 500. Hopefully that'll come on down. DE30, hopefully same thing. I didn't take that one earlier because of that doji candle, but took the sell there. We just looked at JP225. Gold, yes, even after that long bullish candle, I'm like, you know what? Yep, it's closed bullish. We're gonna go bullish. I might trail that back. Let's see what that would look like. That's not even a 1-to-1. So I might trail that back around here. I don't know. We'll see. I might just leave it. Who cares? It's going to do what it's going to do, right? Silver, same thing. We closed bear or bullish. We had a nice bullish rejection wick. I don't know what you want to call it. Who cares? Took the next trade bullish. We'll see how that actually plays out. West Texas oil, same thing as gold. Strong bullish candle. And it's like, really? We're going to go next one bullish? Yeah, because that's what it says. Taking the next candle. Natural gas is just slowly ticking away from the trade from last Thursday. So we'll see how that one actually plays out. Don't know. But currently as it sits, account balance is 253,000. Current floating P&L at $263. But I got a bunch of stuff open. So I don't know. We shall see. My current trades in my personal account are doing fine. I am just still working at trying to get out of certain ones and closing out other ones. So all in all, I'm not concerned. I think this is still going to go good. Even if at the end of August, all it is break even, that is still it's a huge deal for the people who can't even get break even. The ones who are actually losing money. Like if you just started with just the previous candle, next candle, and just use that as a baseline to start with, you'd be better off than probably what you're doing right now. This is just one instance of any particular strategy out there that will probably work given, enough time and enough trades. And so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give this the entire month of August and see how it pans out. So continue joining, follow along. You can, or wait to the end of August and then just backtrack and see how everything went. I'm not gonna change anything. Really, I had that one little like, oh, should I lower, gold just so it'll hit? I don't care, because right now we're just trying to figure out what the data's like. So I'm going to leave everything on here. I'm not going to delete any of the entries or anything like that. That way we can probably at the end of August, early September, I'll go back through and see, given what we got, was there any possible way to possibly make it more profitable? If, depending on where it's at, maybe it's going to be greatly profitable. I don't know. I have no idea. But we'll see how that pans out. If there's any questions, comments, anything like that, anything that you think you would do different, by all means, throw it in the comment below. But yeah, we'll see how everything goes.